Generally, we from Bhattacharyas and Associates, we tend to post videos and updates on law and legal issues. But today being the 74th Independence Day of Bharata, uh, I thought to share something very different, which has a direct bearing with our cultural ethos. I would like to get into the perhaps the most famous slok of the Gita. Yada yada hiddharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhutthānam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham paritranaya swadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Most of us, we believe that it's basically the God is saying that whenever there is adharma or sins being committed on this earth, the God will come time and again, repeatedly, yuge yuge, and He will save us all from all these sins and adharmas. I beg to differ. It's basically not so simple. Yada yada hiddharmasya glanirбhavati bharata, meaning whenever dharma, righteousness, don't get dharma with religion, don't take the meaning of religion as the meaning of dharma. It's not religion, it's the righteousness. It's another day I will say what is all about dharma. Dharma is not religion. The nearest English translation of dharma can be characteristic feature. It is not religion, absolutely not religion. So yada yada hiddharmasya glanirбhavati bharata, meaning whenever the dharma or the righteousness is in trouble, glanirбhavati bharata, all these sins have submerged Bharata. Abhutthānam adharmasya, everybody can understand what is Abhutthānam adharmasya. It's basically resurrection of adharma. Abhutthānam adharmasya. Now comes the most important line. Most of us, we will say that no, the most important line is Sambhavami yuge yuge. No. I mean, as per my understanding, the most important line is Tadatmanam srijamyaham. Why I say this? Tadatmanam srijamyaham means tad atmanam. Tad, that atma. That atma, sriyam, manifests. Sriyam aham. Aham in Sanskrit means me, myself. So it's that atma which manifests itself in myself. Now, who is he? There are explanations saying that Tadatmanam is the Atma of the Bhagavan, Narayan, or the God. He manifests himself. Maham is me. Me is the God. The God manifests himself. In my understanding, if you read the Gita along with the precepts of Upanishad and Vedas, I think the meaning is a bit different. It's not so coarse. It's way more subtle than this. Tadatmanam srijamyaham. That Atma manifests in me. Aham. Sriyam aham. For what purpose? Paritranaya swadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam. To do good for the good people, I mean, to preserve the saints and to kill the sinners. Tadatmanam srijamyaham paritranaya swadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samasthapanarthaya, to once again re-establish dharma, that's righteousness. Sambhavami yuge yuge. I will come back time and again. So the total meaning is this: whenever there is sins submerging the land of Bharata, adharma taking precedence over righteousness, wrongfulness taking precedence over righteousness, wrongfulness becoming the driving force, then the Atma, which Atma? That Atma, to which we all are a part, to which we are parts of that Atma. So that Atma will manifest itself in me. Who is me? Who is Ami? Who is the Aham? The person who's having the right knowledge. The person who can tell good from bad. A person who can tell punya from pap. A good deed and a bad deed, who has this knowledge to differentiate between the two. That Atma will manifest itself. That Atma will manifest itself in him who understands the principles, in him who understands what is good and what is bad, in him who actually has the sense to tell good from bad. Tadatmanam srijamyaham. And what he will do? Paritranaya swadhunam. He will save the good people, saints. Vinashaya cha dushkritam. Kill the sinners. Dharma samasthapanarthaya. Dharma samasthapanarthaya. Meaning to re-establish dharma. Sambhavami yuge yuge. And I will come like that. The God is not going to come with all his guns blazing. Kindly understand. The God, Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, Lord Narayana, Lord Parashurama, Lord Varaha, they are not going to come by themselves. The God is not going to come to save you from your miseries. You have to understand, you have to get the knowledge, and you have to save yourself and the society from the miseries. Raja Ram Mohan Rai did away sati. Vidyasagar did away sati. So they basically, at that point of time, that Atma manifested in Raja Ram Mohan Rai in Vidyasagar. That Atma manifested itself. That Param Gyan, that consciousness manifested itself. And then they could deliver, and they could reduce the suffering of the society. They could eradicate the suffering of the society. They could do away with the evils of the society. Mother Teresa could eradicate the problems. Mother Teresa could eradicate the problems of the society by doing something very noble. By doing something very, very noble. Mother Teresa could. So there also, Tadatmanam Srijamyaham, in Mother Teresa, the Atma of the Lord actually manifested itself. Now similarly, in APJ Abdul Kalam, who gave us the defense system, the missile system, he being a benevolent and an erudite man, Tadatmanam Srijamyaham, that knowledge, that Brahma Gyan, it manifested itself in our then president, late APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So that is the very essence of this shloka, as per my understandings. So once again, if I say this, yada yada hiddharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham paritranaya swadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samasthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. So that is the essence. That is the essence that this shloka in Gita teaches us. You have to come to your own rescue. And how can you do that? Only by actually understanding and obtaining the true knowledge, the true Gyan. I'm not talking about God. I'm not talking about divinity. All I'm saying, have knowledge. Preserve that knowledge. Dissipate that knowledge. And you will radiate that knowledge. And then only you can save the society, deliver the society, deliver good to the society. I hope that clears the air up, and I won't make the video too long this time. So that is all from the desk of Bhattacharyas and Associates, Advocates and Consultants. For this Independence Day, let our Bharata become Mahan and more Mahan as the time goes. Vande Mataram.